Hey guys, it's me Rafi. It's us being us, so I'm preparing nimkutegeka spaghetti bolognese. As you can see, tulina wano spaghetti waffe maze okusalasala ebirungo eno amazzi nga we gajja. Kati okwata ngomaze opima 3 cups of water, then nga gamaze okuboilinga, then you add our spaghetti. As you can see, I've got the scissors and now we cut. It would be better if you break them. Yeah. After there, then we cover and we leave them to boil for something like 10 minutes. Oh, not forgetting to put some salt. Let me get my spoon to get a spoonful of it, like this one. Yeah. Then we sprinkle, and then we get our mingling stick. Netutabulamu nk'omunyo guyingire wansi wetumala ne tubikkako. Then we leave it to boil for some minutes. Yeah. As you can see, we have finished boiling our spaghetti and now it's ready. Now we have got, after cooking here, omala ofumba ennyama bwoti nga maze ngagikalanga, then you get another saucepan, then you pour some oil. Yeah, that's enough. You leave the oil for something like 2 minutes. Add our onions. After frying the onions for about 3 minutes, then we add our tomatoes and pepper. Let's see the mix. And for the tomatoes to get ready quickly, we add some salt, like a pinch of it. As you can see, our tomatoes are now ready, together with onions and green pepper. Then we add our meat. After adding our meat, then we mix. As we leave it to cook, we prepare our plate to put our spaghetti. Hmm. As you can see, our meat is ready and our spaghetti is already on the plate. Then we put our meat on top.